Another major issue for fiance holders, which can be avoided potentially, is the necessity to get a conditional green card, 2-year green card instead of a 10-year green card. I'm going to break down what that all means. I'm immigration lawyer John Kasravi. I help couples live and work in the United States. So in the early 90s or so, they were worried about marriage fraud from happening and people abusing the system, using marriage to get a green card when it was a fake marriage. So they changed the rules where if you get a marriage green card approved, and the green card is printed and issued within 2 years of marriage, they're only going to give you a 2-year conditional green card instead of a full 10-year green card. Now, the green cards act the same. You can live, work, and travel the same, but the 2-year green card forces you to submit another application when the green card is about to expire called Form I-751, Removal of Conditions, where you have to submit another application, pay more filing fees, and wait years sometimes for them to then reinvestigate and look into your life to make sure you're really a couple and that it wasn't a fake relationship. So if you are doing a fiance visa, it's almost inevitable and guaranteed that you're going to be forced to get a 2-year conditional green card, because by the time you get married and you file your green card, your case will probably be done within 2 years, and so you're stuck with a conditional 2-year green card, meaning more fees and more hassle. However, if appropriate, and you got married instead of doing a fiance visa, you got married and applied, did a marriage green card, by the time your green card is approved, if the spouse is overseas and they come here, there's a strong potential that 2 years have passed, especially with current delays. And by the time the green card is printed, it'll pass the 2-year mark and you'll get a full 10-year green card, not have to deal with removal of conditions, having a conditional green card, all that kind of nonsense. So something to be aware of. It increases the chances of having less government fees, less government interaction, all this stuff if you get married instead of doing a fiance visa. Not guaranteed, depends on the case, how fast it works, but something very important to consider nonetheless. Subscribe for more information just like